Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And we are just completing the international logistic in which we are at the stage we are on the chapter 1. Okay, so there are some videos we already uploaded, and this is the another logistic activities in which we will try to understand what are the objectives of the logistic. Okay, so the logistic is the facilities, okay, which design the networks to distribution of the supply. Okay, when you make a finished goods at your factory level, and as per order, you need to deliver the product to the consumer. If you do these activities in right way, then you will not face any problem. Okay, so what are the general objective of this logistic management? So the these are the general objectives, which is the first is cost reductions. Okay, so you need to reduce the cost of the logistic system. This is the general objective. Okay, general objective. Then capital reductions. You need to reduce the capitals. Okay, in very short, we can say very number in numbers. The capital should be very less. Like how much the capital is the machineries which use in the production. Okay, capital is the manpowers. Capital is the warehousing and other activities and transport trucks. These are the capitals. Okay, so you need to understand the basic requirement, then need to arrange the capital. Okay, then service improvement, this is also important. The service need to improve day by day at the level of competitions. You need to understand. Okay, so these are the general objective, and the specific objective we already understand in the part of the 7R of the international logistic. Okay, right product, right quantities, right conditions, right space, right time, right consumer, and right cost. Okay, so we will try to understand the definitions of this. This imply the objective of the logistic is imply that firm will aim to having a logistic system which will maximize the customer service and then minimize the distribution cost. Okay, so you need to understand, yeah, the customer is the main target. So you need to give the maximum level of the service, okay, and minimize the distribution cost. You need to understand this thing that parallelly though both things need to manage. When you give the better services, you need to edit some more cost. Okay, but you need to at the same time you need to manage this, minimize this cost of the distribution. For example, any customer on the you can a Groffer or Blinkit, what they will do, they arrange delivery on the same time in within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, so for that, what they are doing, they are giving the service, maximize the service. Okay, for the maximize the service, what they need to do, they need to arrange the delivery boys. Okay, okay, so here the delivery boys, if we'll arrange more and more delivery boys, then what will increase, the cost will increase, but they need to minimize this cost of distribution. How they will manage this cost? By using that method of the distribution cost, like they also have options to the tips to the delivery boy. So the company is giving them the fixed price of that delivery, like a 30 rupees or 40 rupees of the per delivery. Okay, they will not give more than this delivery, because after the 500, more than 500 order, you will there is no charges of the delivery. Okay, so company have a strategy to manage this by adding option of the tips to the delivery boy. Okay, You can directly give the tips to the delivery boy by delivery time. Okay, so these are the cost minimizations. However, you can approximate the reality by defining the objective of the system of logistics as achieving the desired level of the customer service. Okay, so these are the objective to manage by giving desired level of the customer service. Okay, the degree of delivery support given by the seller to buyer. Thus, logistic management start with the accurating customer. Okay, correcting customer needs and the fulfill the product through product supply and during the process of the supply. Okay, so in the entire logistic system, the process starting when customer is order to the uh, our system, or we can say our factory. Then as per order, you need to perform this order by arranging the product. Okay, then physical movement need to done. Okay, so this is the process where you need to understand the requirement of the customer and deliver the same. However, there are some definite objectives that to be achieved in the proper logistics system that can be described in the follow. So you can see on the screen, these are the basic objective need to understand. So guys, we have tried to understand what are the objective of the logistic system. So in simple language, objective is the uh, by to get the maximum profit. What activities are needs to do is the objective. For example, you open a small shop. So your objective is that to get more profit. Okay, so what will you do for getting your objective? You will do that you arrange the uh, inventory in very accurate prices. We can say minimum pricing. Okay, and all other things need to be understand like a distribution cost and all the thing. Okay, like the location where you are, where are you? Your shop is established. Okay, where shop is set up. So this thing need to understand how you can get your objective for the logistic. So guys, we have understand some points in the session. We'll also understand more regarding the session. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.